Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to Van Cleef and Arpels, and it's actually an impromptu visit, but I wanted to take you guys with me and I hope that you like this video. By the way guys, if you like my content, please consider subscribing to my channel, give this video a thumbs up and follow me on Instagram. My Instagram account is the same as my YouTube account, which is black and gold style. Please also consider checking out my other playlists. I have posted quite a few videos about jewelry, luxury shopping vlogs, Chanel, style and fashion, weekly vlogs, travel videos, and beauty products. Today is Saturday. I was running my errands and my lovely SA texted me that my earrings are ready. I sent 2 pair of my earrings for adjusting and cleaning, and I'm here to pick them up. And I just wanted to have a look at some items because I have a few on my wish list and I'm trying to decide what is the next item that I want to add to my collection, and I want to be 120% sure about it. I started implementing this approach when I think about the next purchase for 3 to 6 months, and I have to say I have been quite happy with all my purchases. I don't have any regrets and I want to take the same approach in 2021. I'm going to stick to my wish list and hopefully it will work out. By the way guys, this zip necklace is absolutely gorgeous. I actually like this design the most. I have seen quite a few, but this one is so elegant. Okay, so here are my earrings, the large frivole and the small frivole, and additional earrings that I wanted to try and show to you guys today. Also, you can see on the tray the 2 motif earrings that I bought back in September of 2020, which I absolutely love. I wear them almost every single day, and I will link down the unboxing video for you guys in case you want to check it out. And by the way guys, just a few days ago I uploaded my updated Van Cleef and Arpels and Cartier jewelry collection video, which I will link down in the description box below for you guys. If you watch my vlogs, you know that I usually go for yellow gold, but these earrings are so stunning. I actually like the combination of white and black. They are very different and unique, and I like the fact that the onyx doesn't look too harsh here. I'm actually very surprised to see that these earrings look quite good on me. I totally did not expect that. I didn't think that diamonds stand out on me in this design, but actually they are really nice and they are pretty light. I like them quite a lot. I'm definitely adding this pair to my wish list. I don't know if this is going to be the next pair that I will buy, but I definitely would like to add these ones to my collection. I love that they aren't over the top and that it's so easy to wear them with any outfit from my wardrobe, because I have quite a few of this. I wear a lot of black and white outfits all the time actually. But I'm also considering between the 3 motif pair, which I will show to you later. But I'm really impressed to see this on me, because actually when I saw them for the first time, I didn't even want to try them on. I just thought, okay, this design is not really for me. I'm not sure about the onyx and I'm not really sure about diamonds because they get kind of lost. But this combination is really special. Who knew? That's why guys, I always recommend to go to the store and try them on, and especially with outfits that you wear the most, because sometimes it seems like the item is not going to suit you, it's not for you, but when you try them on, they will look amazing, and that's what happened to me today. I'm loving the pair that I never thought I would ever want to add to my collection. And here is actually the pair that I'm considering, the one in the middle. They are out of stock unfortunately, but I'm going to try on the one on the right, and I think they're very beautiful too. If I really want this pair, my SA can help me to place the order and I will definitely get them, but I would have to wait for a while. I just don't know for how long. It could be 2 weeks or it could be a couple of months. Let's see. Anyways, here are the 3 motif earrings in white gold with mother of pearl. These are so pretty. I like them a lot. This color combination is very beautiful. I could consider adding them to my collection after I get all the items that I really like, including the previous pair that I have just tried. They are stunning. I have to say they are a little bit heavier than the previous pair, but it's not so bad. I will try to wear them just a little bit longer just to see if after maybe 10 minutes I start feeling the weight, because it's very important. If I were to buy these earrings, I have to make sure that I'm not gonna just keep them in my jewelry box. I have to use them as much as possible, because I always want to make sure that my cost per wear is as low as possible. Otherwise, there's just no point of adding to keep something in your wardrobe to collect the dust on it. That's not something I do. I used to make that mistake a few years ago, but no more. Time to learn from it. I'm really thinking about adding this pair, the 3 motif in the different color combination. I will insert the video. These ones that I tried before, they are so stunning, and I think it would be easy to style with my other jewelry since I already have quite a lot of items in yellow gold, including my Cartier Love bracelet and even my Clash de Cartier ring that I wear every single day. I want to be able to pair all my jewelry. I just can't believe this color combination is sold out in whole of Singapore, and I kind of regret not getting it before, but I guess I have more time to think about it and I will be happier with the purchase when I will get them. I was told that the stock is arriving very slowly, and by the way, we will be having Chinese New Year very soon and it's close to St. Valentine's Day, so I think there will be even less items in the store. And because of the corona situation in Europe, the lockdown, the stock is not arriving as fast as it used to, so let's see how it's going to be. I also tried these earrings in malachite and I will include the video. This is how they look on me. I think they look quite nice, and I never considered this color combination. This is just not something I would go for, but I think they look amazing. All of them are stunning. Besides the earrings, I am actually considering to add a necklace. The one on the left is a 10 motif necklace, and the one on the right is a 20 motif necklace that is so beautiful. I will try both of them. Both of them are stunning. They are very different, and I will show to you the key difference for the 20 motif. Besides wearing it in a conventional way, I actually like the idea of wrapping it around my neck twice. I think it looks quite nice, and I think I could wear different earrings. The ones that I'm wearing at the moment would be a bit too much. I would have to wear a single motif earrings that I have in the magic size. They would look way better here. And here is for comparison the 10 motif necklace. You can see actually this necklace I can wear with those earrings. It's still not as bad, but I don't know, I kind of like both looks. Since this necklace cost an arm and a leg, I would have to think a bit longer about it, but it's very gorgeous. I think it's a long-term piece that I could use, let's say, even when I'm 60, because this is so timeless. I like the fact that it can be actually worn as a belt. I'm not sure if I would scuff and scratch it. Obviously by accident, not on purpose, because it's not very easy to make sure that, let's say, a chair that you're leaning against is not scratching it, or a table, so I would be a bit worried to wear it like that, but I like the fact that it's so versatile. I feel like I'm getting more and more obsessed with Van Cleef jewelry. I really want to add a few items this year. Let's see how it's going to go. Anyways guys, this is it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you liked this video. Please do consider giving it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. My Instagram account is the same as my YouTube account, which is Black and Gold Style. Have a great day and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!